Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I just made a video about how to do this. And while it was loading, I thought, there's a lot better way. So let's go up to Edit, Step and Repeat. And if you didn't watch the first video, we offset them 0.45. Let's make this one 60 copies. So it did it that fast. We're already that far. Now let's go, and we need to group them together. Control G. Then we need to go to Object and convert them to a curve. Now let's go to the envelope tool. And this is going to make life a lot easier. If we grab the shape tool, let's grab the envelope tool, put an envelope back. Let's select these and go right here and add nodes. It added them equally on our sides. Now let's set our nudge distance on 3. Let's grab our envelope tool, grab that node and nudge it into 3. Whoop, I went the wrong way. Now we're a lot more equal and a lot faster. Now this one is different than my design. It's got, it would have taken quite a bit longer to draw this one. Because it's got like a center part. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.